We love thrifting, we love affordability, okay? No shame here. Never. Never. Hey guys, what's up? Okay, so today, first things first, I am so sorry that I've been MIA on here. I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I've just been very sad. Last week, my mental health was on absolute zero. We need to be open and honest about these things. That's just what it is. I'm back and I'm better. But if you ever miss my longer videos here on YouTube, you can always go on my Instagram. I literally post like everything on there, all my stories, little video clips, tips, tricks, pictures, all the good stuff. It's all there, including where I got this beautiful chair. Today I'm gonna be doing a styling thrifted clothing video. I have been really in love with thrifted clothing. Whether you're doing it for money saving reasons or whether you're doing it for sustainability, it's just a great thing. So yeah, I want to show you that regardless of what your budget is, you can definitely get some fly outfits. I'm gonna be honest with you, I have some fly outfits here to show you and I'm really excited. So if you want to see what I picked up as well as all my tips and tricks about what I look for at the thrift store and how I find good things, I got you. Keep watching. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it raining outside, but it's kind of soothing. So if you can, it's just a little to ease your mind. First, I have this outfit right here. These are a pair of trousers. I tried to keep the tags on some of these items so I could tell you how much they were. The trousers were about $5. I know the shirt was a few dollars, a couple dollars. This was in the belt section, but I'm fairly sure that it is a necklace. I am gonna use it as a belt though because I feel like it adds a little spice. So never be afraid to repurpose different items for different things. I absolutely love picking up little trousers from the thrift store. Personally, I go to Goodwill only because that is the only thrift store near me. And people ask a lot, which location do you go to? Because obviously I live in Arizona. But basically what I like to do is if you're looking for more trendy pieces, go near college campuses, universities. And if you're looking for more vintage pieces, go to areas where you know people that are a little bit older live. And yeah, don't be afraid to drive a little further just to see what's out there. And do not be afraid to pick through the racks. And when I say pick through the racks, I mean, I want you to go like this, like you're reading a book. I want you to turn every single page. I want you to turn every single piece of clothing. I do look for prints. Don't get me wrong, I look for prints. But don't only go for print. You obviously want to see things that stand out, but sometimes you'll find pieces that you're like, oh my god, I cannot believe I found this. And I found something really freaking cool, you guys. The pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. So I gotta show you something at the end of this video. You guys are gonna be like, what? Stay tuned, okay? So for look number 2, we have some white on white. So I have these white pants, no zipper, no buttons, no nothing, but it actually comes up a little bit higher, so it's still pretty flattering. And then this jacket right here, it's slightly oversized. I always try to be respectful of not getting sizes that are far too large for me because I know that people that in larger sizes need to buy clothes too, and I don't want to be snatching up all the stuff. It's just slightly oversized on me, but it has a really stretchy, good fit to it, so you can tie this up in the front or do whatever you like. The jacket was $14 and the pants were $7. Everything fluctuates so much, you guys. You just never know what the price is gonna be. Like this jacket I'm gonna show you in a minute, I got for like $6 and it is a huge, beautiful jacket. I'm also pairing this scarf with it. Scarves are like a must for me. It's every single time that I go to the thrift store, I always have to look at the scarf. This scarf right here is from the thrift store. Even the shorts that I have on are from the thrift store, and they're basketball shorts, but they're hella cute. Next, big important find, okay? Always look in the women's two-piece suit set section, okay? You've got like the nice flared pant and you've got the blazer. You can go topless and just button it low, or you can wear pretty much anything you'd like. I got this from the lingerie section. This was $5 for this nightie. Always hit the lingerie section. Let me say that now, always hit the lingerie section, because whether you're looking for mesh or lace or silk, that is where your go-to spot is at, okay? This suit here was only $15 for this set, and it is gorgeous. It's in perfect condition, and it's petite, which is so cool because I'm 5'3". I'm a small girl. Trouser pants. Again, I think it's pretty clear that I cannot live without trouser pants, but here's another pair that also fit just beautifully, okay? Just beautifully. If it's high-waisted, if it zips up, if it fits nice in the waist, I will buy it. And then this scarf right here, just a nice long scarf. You can pretty much tie this however you want. So much multi-purpose in a scarf, okay? I live for a good scarf moment. Even if the waist fits slightly large for you, you can always hit a nice little belt up and just neutrals. What's new, honestly? So this one right here, I paired this silky top. First of all, like I said, silky tops to die for. Go for texture, okay? And the best thing about button-down tops is you can just tie them in the front and instantly it's a look. I always love myself a nice print. I'm not scared of animal print. I actually love it. These really pair together nicely. This jacket I bought a few months ago. It was only $6. Don't be afraid to purchase items that you know you'll wear in the wintertime. Obviously, I live in Arizona. It was 120 degrees 3 or 4 months ago, and it's still hot, but now it's raining, you just never know. So don't be afraid to pick up items when they're not in season. You can sometimes even get them for a better discount. Like, you would really pay like 50 bucks for a jacket like this at a regular, even like fast fashion store. So a steal in my eyes, okay? Layers and textures, that's where it's at. Once again, like I said, do not be afraid to hit up the lingerie section. I literally got this corset for $3, $2.99. It is a perfect corset. It fits beautifully. The chest could be a little bit tighter, but that's like my own issue, not the clothing piece's issue. It's got like the little silk up top. It's got the lace. It's gorgeous, okay? And I've been seeing a lot of this type of style, like the corset style, being paired with jeans or denim, and I actually really love it. I know for some people it's probably like, that's so tacky, but I really am into it. These jeans right here are actually originally from Old Navy. They have the elastic in the inside that you can adjust. This is perfect because if you don't know how to sew, or if you don't like to sew, or you don't want to sew, or you don't have a sewing machine, this next outfit is like on my sporty vibe. I've had this top forever. It is originally from Express. So freaking cute. I like sporty outfits. Am I really a sporty girl, if I'm honest with you? Not really. I'm very clumsy, I will say that. But it gives me like, I'm gonna go play tennis and look cute vibe. Can I play tennis? Not really. I can barely see, if I'm honest with you. Basketball shorts, athletic shorts, skirts, Nike, Adidas, whatever you're looking for, I'm telling you, you gotta go look, okay? You just gotta go look. You gotta search through everything, search through your sizes. And if you really look hard enough, I'm telling you, you will find some good treasures, okay? This is my favorite thing I've gotten in so long. This is everything, okay? This is the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. This, you know, damn near, it is the gold and it's the rainbow. This is a dress, brand new with tags still on, from Tiger Mist. And if you're not familiar with Tiger Mist, it is a really cute brand. I'll be honest, I looked up this specific dress because it still has the tag on it, and I think it was like 60 or 70 bucks or something like that. I got it for $12.99, new with the tags on. It fits perfectly. And this is not the first time I found trendy style clothes new with tags, okay? Even companies that you don't support, if you do feel comfortable purchasing them secondhand, like somebody has already bought them and, you know, so it's already out there in the world. I found Nasty Gal, I found Fashion Nova, I found like Forever 21. Go near trendy areas where you know people would just give away a brand new dress with a tag on it. I'm telling you, if you've never thrifted, you have to go and you have to tell me what you find, okay? So yeah, guys, that is it for this video. That is it for all the outfits. I really hope you enjoyed them. It was just a few ideas in my head of things that I like to put together and styles that I like. Obviously, I have other thrifted clothing and things like that that I didn't include in the video, but these are just some really good pieces that I thought made such a cute outfit. And of course, you can mix and match with pieces that you buy from the actual store or whatever you want to do, but I just feel like it's a great way to save money and be more sustainable. I really hope you guys enjoyed this and enjoyed the outfits. If you did, let me know. Maybe we could do another video like this. Maybe I could take you guys along with me when I go to search and show you what I'm looking for. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.